we're dealing with. So we're just gonna come down here, and as you can see, all the water is around here. You may hear one of the drunk neighbors when I go by, but I apologize about that. I mean, just everything soaked. I mean, it's ridiculous. Everything. And we haven't even had a hurricane or a tropical storm yet. And we're already like this, flooded. If we get any more rain, this is what we're dealing with. You can look over there, see? It's more water. It's ridiculous. Like, we've been getting rain every single day for like 3 or 4 hours. Usually it's like an hour, 2 hours at max. And you can just see what's already happening in the neighborhood. Look, all of that. This normally is dry enough for me to step on, but I'm now going through water because this whole thing, this whole field, it's normally dry. Look at that. It's just soaked. You got over here. Like, and we are right at the edge of hurricane season. Like, we're on the tip. Like, this is the height. This is the moment where it gets really, really, like, bad. And we're already like this. Like, this is just from everyday rain. And yeah, we did have some rain that was produced from that hurricane that just had extra tropical weather and clouds that got taken over. But I mean, just look at this. This is ridiculous. My parents' backyard is totally underwater in Estero. So this is not like just where I'm at in Bonita. It's not just a Bonita issue. This is like everywhere. I'm gonna bring you guys across the street. I keep talking about the 7-Eleven with the lake behind it. I want to show you guys. So we're gonna go check out this lake behind 7-Eleven. That's 7-Eleven. Like, just keep us in your prayers. Keep Texas in your prayers. Bad weather is not just stuck to one location these days, guys. Bad weather seems to be everywhere. So we're coming up here, and this is not normally a lake. This is normally dry. And this is just in my neighborhood. Look at that. This is not just a lake. This is normally dry. This is a dry area. Like, let's see how deep this actually is. Okay, I'm pretty much at what I would call the average level of this water. Ready, guys? Look at that. That's how deep this water is. No matter where I go. Like, it's just all... Look, it's even getting deeper. Like, and this is just... This isn't a lake. This is normally dry. This should not be like this. And we haven't even had any hurricanes, or we haven't had any kind of tropical depressions. We've just gotten extra rain. Lots and lots of extra rain. And see, look, those are trees. That's a tree. That tree should not be in water. Way over there, see, that's a tree in water. This is all because of just too much rain. It's the whole reason all this is here. It's like, I want to show you something right here. And we'll cut out the video. I'm not trying to take all you guys' time, but I gotta show you this. Normally, this is a drainage. It goes all the way up here. This is where the drainage is, where normally the drainage is, and that's as far past as it goes. This is supposed to be dry. There's trees all underwater. Just keep everyone in the world in your prayers, especially us in Florida and Texas, with all this flooding and everywhere else there may be flooding. All right, guys? I love you guys. Have a blessed day. Stay safe. Jesus Christ is the only way.